Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to get this messy mushroom bun from an old not an old twist out, but from an old flat iron style. I flat ironed my hair a month ago, and so my hair is still stretched, and I've been wearing it in a bun for the last maybe week and a half to 2 weeks. It is starting to revert back, which actually helps with this hairstyle because once it starts to revert a bit, you have a little more thickness, a little more volume, and so I can get a bigger, thicker bun because it's more textured, okay? So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Before we get into that though, I need you to go down there, hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting here. I'm just gonna give you time, okay? Go ahead, hit that button. Make sure to also hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. All right guys, so let's get into the video.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me.
Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know down below what you would like to see in an upcoming video, and I'll make sure to get that out to you. And if you didn't do it at the beginning of the video, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button, okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.